So what we have here is a 3rd gen Ram. These are Spyder headlights that the customer wanted, and he just wanted demonized put in them. So these are the profile prisms, the RGBs from the retrofit source that are on the Morimoto Bluetooth controller. So we got the app here. Completely, like I said, RGB. So very, very easy app to use. You have all these themes here. You can change the speed of them. Really, really nice look. Oh yeah, and then we went ahead and blacked out the amber reflector. It's the Chrysler Black Pearl. So I'll see if I can get in here well enough. But as you can see, it just has an insane amount of flake. So in the sunlight, that's going to look really, really cool. So if you guys are interested in having a set of headlights built yourself, please go ahead and email the email address down below, and we can go ahead and get you started. For now, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lights and enjoy this little bit of a montage.